Piecewise regression analysis. Let us now understand what is piecewise regression analysis. To understand this, take an example of a sales company, of a sales department, where the policy is this, that for every unit that you sell, you will get a commission. And, it tells that this commission, this is going to be 20% of your sale. But if you cross a particular threshold, if you make a sale of more than 20,000 in a month, then after this, you will get 30% as your commission. Something like this. So if you make a sale more than the threshold, then in that case, your commission that you will be getting will be much higher. So ideally, if I want to go ahead and I want to plot this looks something like this. Something like this, that I am taking my X here, X is sales, I am taking Y here, Y is the sales commission. And now I am saying that if the sale is above this threshold X star, then the slope is different. You get a different rate of commission. And if it is below X star, then it is a different rate. And I want to show this. So I can use one regression equation to show this thing. And how do I make this regression equation? Well, I make this regression equation like this. I say yi star, yi is equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1 xi plus beta 2 xi minus x star into di plus ui. And now I say that yi is the sales commission, right? Xi is the volume of sale, X star is the threshold, and then I'm saying that di, this is 1 if xi is greater than x star, 0 otherwise, right? So now what will you get? See, if you make xi greater than x star, supposedly, then your E of y given xi will be by putting di equal to 1. If your sale is more than this xi star, then you will put this as 1 here. And if you put this as 1 here, what will you get? You will get this value as alpha 1 plus beta 1 and then into xi plus beta 2 into xi minus x star into 1. So this will be alpha 1 plus beta 1 xi minus beta 2 x star plus beta 2 xi. This is what you will get as the equation, isn't it? So this will then be alpha 1 minus beta 2 x star plus beta 1 plus beta 2 xi. This is your average sales commission beyond x star. And what will be E of y given xi comma di equal to 0? If you do